The blank describes that the students need to study more after having the class from the professor to have the satisfaction and better understanding, because the lecture was incapable of completing the cognition or comprehension of the students. That is, it was incomplete. So the blank fields for answers mean anything incomplete. We can so easily eliminate choice D and E having the opposite meaning. Choice D and choice E are to be eliminated. Moreover, we got it as choice F does suggest that further study is necessary, but there is no other word that produces a sentence alike in the meaning. Boring, as choice A, is irrelevant in the context of the passage and is not specific in comparison with choice B and choice C. Besides, there is no other word that produces a sentence alike in the meaning of boring. So we can eliminate choice A and choice F, and we can accept choice B and choice C as our correct answer. So the correct answers are choice B and choice C.